Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. The Google account and phone number must match the backup. Open Google Drive, tap menu right arrow Backups, and look for WhatsApp backup entry. This shows the file and timestamp. Once done, make sure WhatsApp on your phone is linked to that same Google account in Settings right arrow Chats, right arrow Chat Backup. Doing this now prevents mismatches and missing backups later, so you don't waste time trying to restore the wrong file. Next, you inspect the backup details. In Drive right arrow Backups, select the WhatsApp item to view date, size, and associated phone number. This tells you what will restore. If you don't see an entry, check WhatsApp local backups in internal storage, right arrow WhatsApp right arrow databases. These can be used to recover chats. Make sure the Drive backup size indicates media included if you expect photos and videos. This clarity helps you choose Drive Restore versus local file restore without guesswork. To finish, reinstall or open WhatsApp, verify your phone number, and when prompted, tap Restore to pull chat history from Google Drive. Allow necessary permissions for Google Play services to access Drive. Once restored, WhatsApp rebuilds media and messages, verify important chats and timestamps. If the restore fails, make sure you're signed into the same Google account and the phone number matches the backup. Then reboot the phone and retry. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most permission or account mismatch errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.